guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a collaboration with Mampo the Bubble Gun. Yes, this is an amazing bubble machine that you can find on Amazon. It is called the Bubble Rocket Gun. Yes, so colorful and amazing. It has the bubble gun that comes in with all the products, 50 milliliters of bubble water times 2. Of course, the bubble liquid times 2, where it's concentrated. All you have to do is for each individual pack, add water per instructions, the plate to put the liquid in, the USB charging cable, and a rechargeable battery. Yes, it is so fun. Me and my kids love it. It has over 6,000 bubbles that come out per minute because it has 69 holes, plus it has a fan and colors. With this product, it is strong and durable, high quality ABS material and thick case. Yes, you can find this on Amazon. I will have it in the description box below. It is worth the money. I love it. My kids absolutely love it. It's great for parties. You can even do it at night. And parents, you can definitely bring out your inner child by dancing around outside in the pool and using this gun. Thank you so much, Mampo, for collabing and sending us this product. We absolutely love it and would recommend it to anyone.
What? Oh my gosh!
Back on up.
Trash!
We really love it. Thank you so much, Mampo, for collabing with us. We are really going to enjoy this on these warm summer days in North Carolina.
Your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams.
You like your
Tears are
bubbles?
proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready.
Is it your birthday today? How old are you? You are 3. Are you happy to be 3? Do you feel 3 years old? Good. So what do you want to do today? Oh, the chick. Oh, yeah, that's what we're having for lunch. But what do you want to do to celebrate your birthday tonight? I know you want to celebrate your birthday tonight, but what do you want to go to eat tonight? Chick-fil-A. Okay. Say cheese. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday